Good morning, people. It's day 8. After a good excursion or a good, uh, day spent at Leh, it's time to move on to Nubra. We were here for total 2 days in which we explored the market. You saw that. You saw Shanti Stupa. We could not go to Spituk Monastery because there was too much of crowd with no masks. And उसके बाद हम गए थे साउंड एंड लाइट शो देखने आर्मी का. तो अब आपको लेके चलते हैं नुब्रा. चलिए. So after day 1 of the trip, finally it's my second chance to sit on the second row and just relax while my Aziz dost Shivam the vlogger drives. We had breakfast at South Pullu because we don't want to go empty stomach till Khardungla, and thus we are very much behind our second car in the convoy. So now let's move on from South Pullu towards Khardungla and you all see how it is, how the route is.
बताओ भाई.
नहीं भाई नहीं.
एक फोटो ले लो राइट में.
So we have just crossed Khardungla. I'll just attach one photo of that pass because we did not step down, we did not stop. क्योंकि एक तो लोगों ने मास्क नहीं पहन रखा, कोरोना ख़त्म हो चुका है बिल्कुल खारदुंगला से, और दूसरा हमें भीड़ में घुसने का शौक नहीं है. We have better places to go to, which will be amazing if we are able to. That's Marsimikla and Umlingla. So with that being said, let's move ahead to our destination for today. That's Nubra. Things to tell you. First, we have reached Nubra. Second, there is no stay in Nubra. Everything is shut down due to COVID. You'll have to search on the biscuit side. Third, we are hungry. We got to eat since we have not had anything apart from a loaf of bread since morning. Not a loaf of bread, a slice of bread. So थोड़ा खाते हैं, डिसाइड करते हैं कहाँ रुकना है. हो सकता है कैंप कर लें, हो सकता है कुछ मिल जाए. जो भी होगा आपको तो पता लग ही जाएगा. So let's go. heading back from Sasoma village, which is the last point till which you can go without an army permission. Siachen base camp जाना वैसे तो open रहता है, but due to COVID protocols and some other reasons that we might not have been told, आर्मी परमिशन ज़रूरी होती है थॉइस के पास से, या फिर क्या परतापुर के पास से. So now we are heading to Hundar, where our friends have booked a stay. That's a camp, and I'll see you there now. So we have moved some way back from Sasoma. That was the army checkpost. We did not record that checkpost since it's an army checkpost and we do not want to publicly, reveal some locations, some pictures, some people. We have stopped somewhere 2 kilometers back, and it's a very cool breeze that's flowing. It's a very wide and open valley. The river that you see there is Nubra River. Behind these mountain ranges flows the Shyok River, and these both form a sangam and or a confluence, and it becomes one river, that's Shyok River. So enjoy the cinematics of here. Meanwhile, we'll have some photo session. And here we have some acrobatic shows by our Chhabri people. So now let me give you a tour of the wooden nest. This is the parking area, and as you walk in, you're welcomed by a bare bones gate, and there are huts here.
What's up?
इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी. So guys, it's day 9 of the Zanskar Ladakh tour, and as promised, here is the room tour. You already saw how the property looks from the outside, and how are all the lawns around, how are all the seating areas. तो अब आप देख लो room कैसा है. Sorry for the mess in advance, because wherever we are reaching, we are extremely exhausted, and we are just unpacking and just changing clothes and making the room a complete mess. So here's the room tour. You get a view of the outside through the big window that is here. A double bed with 2 side tables, one on either side. No fan, no AC, nothing required here since it's Nubra. A huge washroom with a shower, WC, and a nice wash basin. We also do have your seating area outside the room. You can place your chairs here. So that's the small purposeful room that we have. It's basically a hut. So yeah, there are 8 or 9 huts such as this one in the property. Alright, that was the short room tour of Wooden Nest, Nubra. Now let's head towards Turtuk and Diskit Monastery. after the route that you saw, we are at the border village of Thang. There's the board. Now there will be a border viewpoint that states it's 50 meters ahead, and I'll be giving you a glimpse of that same thing. So let's go. And that is the last restaurant and the border post viewpoint. Tutuk, Thang and Tyakshi villages. Thang, where we are right now, Tutuk, which we crossed to reach here, were under occupation of Pakistan before the 1971 war and were subsequently under Indian control. Now you enjoy the view from here, and after this I'll take you to Tyakshi village. So right there, जो पहाड़ी आपको दिख रही है, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. और ऊपर I won't be able to show you, but ऊपर एक white pole है जिसमें there used to be a Pakistan flag, but it's not there right now. However, there will be bunkers out which are hidden from plain sight to us civilians. We have bunkers on this side. I won't show you them. But in a nutshell, that's Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This is Indian side of Kashmir. Now let's move to Tyakshi. Visit at Tyakshi. The car cannot go further than this. इससे नीचे गए तो नीचे ही जाएंगे. तो अब हम चलते हैं ऊपर और देखते हैं Tyakshi विलेज में क्या है क्या नहीं है और मज़ा आता है या नहीं आता. The route to Tyakshi village is a small trek and an easy one, है ना?
Yeah.
Very easy.
मेरे लिए तो नहीं है भाई, झूठ मत बोलो. There is a Pakistan built school in this village and we are trekking up to there. Let's see if our breaths will support us. जो आप पानी देख रहे हो बहता हुआ, this is pure drinking clean water. So we are approaching the school that was built by the Pakistani.
So this is the school that was built by the Pakistan, and when they captured the land while India was busy fighting China.
One thing is for sure, the children who studied here studied with a view. We are at Border View Cafe, just beneath the school that you just saw. Fact that was told by the cafe operators or owners just now, that this school that you just saw was in fact built by India. I got confused, like as I had seen on many other vlogs that school was built by Pakistan, but in fact this is the real school that was built by Pakistan, and that was in use until or up to 1971. So let's go to this school and see how it is. This is in fact the school that was built by Pakistan. रूम्स थोड़े ज़्यादा हैं पिछले वाले से, थोड़ा ओपन स्पेस ज़्यादा है. The sound of gushing water must have been good while studying, and this, and not the previous one, is the, as I said, old school of Pakistan. Now that we have seen the real old Pakistani school, let's head back to wherever our car takes us and wherever time allows. So stopped for another quick breather on the way towards Hundar from Totuk. We found this little, you can call it a beach, besides Shyok River, and now heading back. Reached my stay, the Wooden Nest, at close to 8:45 without any major stoppage since starting from the Akshi village, which left us no scope to visit any other place. Now I'm going to have dinner and I'll see you tomorrow, maybe in the next vlog, maybe in the same vlog. I don't know how I'm going to sequence this thing on day 10 of this trip.